I've got 2 pieces of bacon right here. I'm gonna lay them in here like this. You could use just regular bacon that's uncooked. This is actually that pre-cooked bacon. Okay, we're gonna close that up. Over here in my bowl, I've got 1 cup of this Kodiak Power Cakes Flapjack and waffle mix. Y'all, this is really good. It has a lot of protein in it. I'm gonna add 3/4 cups of water to that. And then I'm also gonna add 1 egg. Okay. Y'all, this is gonna be really high-packed protein breakfast. It's gonna keep you full for a really long time. I like having lots of protein in the morning. This is gonna be so delicious. We're gonna make all of this into 1 pan. Look at that, y'all. Look how nice it is looking. Okay, so we're just gonna get that all mixed in. And then I've got this imitation maple extract. I'm just gonna put like maybe 2 drops in here. Well, I'm gonna try to do 2 drops, we'll see. Just a little bit, you know. Oop, just a little bit. We don't want too much. This stuff is pretty tasty. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and get that mixed in. Woo, that smells good. Now it's starting to smell like maple syrup in this kitchen. All right, let's open up our waffle maker. Ooh, look how crispy that bacon is. All right, y'all tell me in the comments below, do you like your bacon crispy or a little bit flimsy? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add our batter to the side of the waffle maker. All right, y'all, this is gonna be so good. This is so easy. And your family is gonna love it. Okay, so we got those in there. Let's go ahead and close that up. Okay, now while that is cooking right here, I'm gonna show y'all this cute little egg. Look at this egg, isn't that beautiful? This is from one of our very own chickens that we actually hash. Anyway, so we have an egg here. We're gonna let that cook for just a couple more minutes and then we'll be right back. For that waffle mix, you don't have to use the Kodiak one. You can use whatever waffle mix that you prefer. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Now the waffles are cooking. They're about halfway done cooking, and at that point, we're gonna go ahead and crack an egg. I'm gonna spray, whoa, almost lost it. I'm gonna spray both of these tops right here. All right. We're gonna go ahead and crack this egg right inside of this waffle maker. Just like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and close this very slowly and gently. Isn't that so cool? I'm so excited. This is gonna be so good. You can cook like everything in here. All right, let's check it out. Wow. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this egg. Let's see if I can do it without breaking it. Oh, perfect, perfect, perfect. There we go. And then we're gonna take this egg and we're just gonna flip it right on top, and we're gonna take this bacon here. We're gonna put that right on top. And then I'm gonna take this other waffle that we have right here, and then you flip it over just like that. Oh my gosh, look how perfect this is. Oh, it's hot too. Okay, here we go. Oh my, look at that. Wow, look how good that turned out. Yummy. Okay, now you could add some maple syrup on top of this if you wanted to, or put in a little dish and dip it in. But I did put that maple extract in it, so I'm hoping it's gonna give that same flavor without all of the sticky of the maple syrup. But you know, sometimes that's fun anyways. Okay, it's super hot. Let me close that right now. Look how pretty that is. Okay guys, let's taste this. I've actually added a little bit of maple syrup right here. So we're gonna just dip it in because I'm thinking it's gonna taste delicious. All right, here we go. Woo-hoo! This is so good. The bacon is super crunchy, which is exactly how I like it. The egg is cooked perfectly, and the waffles are crispy and delicious. Look at that, y'all. This would be a great meal to prep and put in the freezer, and you'll have it ready to go in the morning. And like I said, this is packed with protein. It is gonna keep you full and sustained throughout the day.